Every piece of glass begins its journey inside extreme heat and controlled industrial fire.
Discover the magic behind every creation, how it's crafted.
Simple natural minerals come together here to form the foundation of modern glass. Before fire transforms anything, precise mixing ensures consistency, balance, and material purity. The mixture enters the furnace where temperatures rise beyond what most materials can survive. At extreme temperatures, solid minerals slowly lose identity and become molten glass. In this glowing state, glass behaves like liquid, guided carefully by skilled hands. Under controlled pressure, molten glass is shaped into precise forms and dimensions. Even with machines, human judgment remains essential while the glass is still hot. Slow, controlled cooling relieves internal stress and determines the glass's final strength. Every finished piece is inspected closely, revealing imperfections invisible at first glance. Edges are refined carefully, ensuring safety, durability, and a clean, finished appearance. The completed glass is handled gently, ready for use in countless applications. From raw minerals to clarity, glass reflects craftsmanship, precision, and controlled industrial mastery. Thank you for joining us on this journey of craftsmanship and quality. If you enjoyed watching how these masterpieces are made, don't forget to subscribe to How It's Crafted for more behind-the-scenes stories of the world's finest creations.